Hello everyone. It's been a very long time since I've made that video showing you guys the VR glove that I've been working on. I think it's been like a year since I've uploaded that video. But today I'll show you guys some exciting updates such as a new feature and some changes that I've made to the glove. Okay, first let's go over some changes I've made to the firmware, and the changes that I've made are related to stability, performance, and bug fixes, such as I've inlined some functions. And I've also noticed that every time I'm using the glove, the IMU data is somehow off every time. So it turns out that if I'm turning off the glove, the IMU will lose the calibration data and it needs to be recalibrated every time I'm using the glove. And there is also a change in how the test command works. It is a very short test now instead of a long one. And next, let's go over the new feature that I've been working on, and I've called it the finger assist. And what this feature is doing is it's going to assist your finger. What a name, right? It's going to help your finger when it is moving. So if you now close your finger, the glove will help to close your finger and also open your finger. And the assist strength can be changed with the configuration application. And that's it. That's the new feature that I've built in or currently testing. It is not very stable, but it is working well enough. So if you guys built the glove, let me know how it feels and so on and so forth. Now on to Unreal Engine changes. I've switched to Unreal Engine 5.3. I think the old one that I've used was 5.0 or 5.1. And I got myself a VR headset. It is a Pico 4. And I've also started to build a VR game, or created a VR project, and moving the grabbing mechanism into that VR project. It is still the old grabbing mechanism that I've made from the ground up, and it has now received some changes, and let's go over them. So the first change would be collision. Before the change, when you try to grab some stuff, it sometimes glitches into an object and the object will get stuck into the hand, and it is very annoying. Now I've changed it to enable collision on the hand. Now it shouldn't get stuck into the hand, and by changing it, the experience was way better. And also sometimes the hand won't detach whatever it grabs. So now I'm looking if the user has opened the glove fully. If so, it will force everything that got attached to the hand now to be detached. The next thing would be a dynamic grabbing. So if you grab something with all the fingers, or any fingers, and let's say you grab with all 5 of your fingers, and you now can lift one finger off, and the force feedback will be turned off on that finger, and you can close that finger again, and when that finger touches the grabbed object, the force feedback will be turned on that finger again. So I think back then, if you grab something, and it will be static to all the fingers. Okay, now on to the last change of the grabbing mechanism. It is now able to differentiate between different types of objects, such as if it is a solid one or a soft one. And I've been also looking at a pulsating objects, but it is harder than I thought it would be, so I've pushed that into the future works. So that's like the main changes to the grabbing mechanism and to Unreal Engine. So now on to the last update. The glove configurator, or the configuration application, has now some new fields to configure the finger assist so you can have it the way you want it to. So that's it for the VR glove update. Thank you for tuning in, and if you can hear some bird noises, it is because summer is here and they are very happy. If you got any questions or any problems building the glove, or you want to talk to me about the glove, the Discord channel is down below that you can join. Else, goodbye and have a nice day.